straight down, we take a left, we end up at this roundabout, and we also take a left, following that blue sign that says M4. Indicate right to change your lane. That sign there says the M4 is the third exit, so we are now on the right hand side. Indicate right, and wait for a safe time to exit. Drive on the inner side of the roundabout. Stay in your lane, which is the fast lane. You will eventually reach a section with several lanes. Stay on the right hand side that says M4 Royal Bassett. When you get to this part, go to the right hand side, which is only M4. This roundabout has traffic lights, so it's very safe. This roundabout has many lanes, so you need to watch it carefully. We want to drive on the most inner part. If you look on the floor, it says M4 to the right. We are going to Bristol. You basically follow this line all the way to Bristol where the blue sign is. However, I'm just doing a U-turn, so I'm now turning again to the right. So realistically, you should be on the left lane next to that white car going straight to that Bristol sign.